Navigation quick tips, favorites. Favorites are destinations that have been saved for quick access. Accessing the favorites list is easy. Select the destination pin on the left side of the map screen. Choose Favorites, and a list of saved destinations will be displayed. Select one, and then press Go to start route guidance.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
To add a previous destination to favorites, choose the destination pin. Select Recent. And choose a destination from the list. Scroll past the blue arrows for more options. At the bottom of the screen, select Save. The listing will be saved to Favorites. To search for a new location to put in Favorites directly, press Menu. Then select Setup. Choose Navigation. Scroll past the blue arrows for more options. Then Favorites. On the Favorite screen, choose New. And input address, point of interest, recent destinations, or current location. Select Enter. And choose OK to add it to the favorites. Press Map. Then, select the destination pin icon. Now, go to Favorites to see the destinations list. Two favorites can be marked for display as shortcut buttons on the map screen. By selecting the white star next to the listing, the star will change to green or blue. These favorites will be displayed on the map as shortcut buttons when the vehicle is started. The arrival time to each destination from the vehicle's current location is available on the button for quick reference. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.